Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the SCHOK Flip. What a name for a phone, right? This phone is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So the SCHOK Flip is available now in dark gray. There, you guys have 8 GB of memory. It's on back order, but y'all guys can get this phone for free with the new line of service. That is pretty cool. So yeah, this is a Android flip phone. So do keep that in mind. The full retail price of this phone is $99.99, but like I said, it's free when you guys get a new line of service. So let's go ahead and check out the SCHOK Flip here. So yeah, that's the phone. It'll be that. You guys have your standard numeric keypad there, talk button, end key, and the end key is also your power button as well. You got your screen there, speaker and whatnot. And that's what the phone closed. You guys have your external display, your camera flash. I think there's some branding on the front here, but I can't really tell what it's saying. Okay, you got your branding piece on the left side of the phone now. On the back of the SCHOK Flip is your I don't know what this is. I guess branding. I'm not sure. And then you guys got your speaker on the back, and then on the left side of the phone, like I said, volume buttons, and I think this is your headphone jack. I hope it's a 3.5 headphone jack. So yeah. So it's $99.99 there for retail price, but it's free with the new line of service. So features on the SCHOK Flip: 5-megapixel camera with flash, 8 hours of talk time, 111 hours of standby time. The screen on the inside is a 3.2-inch TFT Quad Q VGA display, 320 by 240 pixel resolution. Other features include vibrant display, best-in-class battery, and balanced audio. So it says here, simplicity is redefined with SCHOK's newest flip phone, an intuitive and easy to use phone that doesn't skimp on power or features. The SCHOK Flip is one of the most advanced flip phones on the market. A vibrant 3.2-inch display paired with an oversized backlit keypad makes operation a breeze. Large tactile buttons are easy to see and press, while photos and text are clear and bright on the expansive screen. Capture your favorite memories with the 5-megapixel camera, or flip your phone around to take show-worthy selfies using the secondary screen as a viewfinder. SCHOK Flip comes armed with best-in-class 2,000 mAh battery to last all day without worrying about plugging in. Experience audio with an optimized speaker design and voice over LTE and HD voice for crystal clear calls. For the advanced user, the SCHOK Flip offers applications such as email, battery manager, memory boost, PDF reader, virtual mouse, and more. Simple but not basic. SCHOK Flip tunes out the unnecessary noise and connects you to those who matter most. Alright. Specs on the SCHOK Flip here. This is a Android flip phone, so you guys will have a 2,000 milliamp battery, a USB Type C, which is very nice, and the 3.5mm audio headphone jack, which is nice. Your Wi-Fi connections on the phone is 8 to 11 BGN, Qualcomm quad-core processor, 1.2 GHz, it is AOSP ROM there, 1 GB of RAM, 256 GB of expandable memory. So take advantage of that. You will get 4G LTE, of course, no 5G, of course, it's a flip phone, so no 5G on this one. Your hearing aid compatibility is there, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies, Weight: the SCHOK Flip weighs 5.54 ounces. Your dimensions on the SCHOK Flip: the length of which is like depth is 0.81 inches. Holy shit. The height is 4.53 inches and the width is 2.44 inches. That is with the phone, I think, open. I guess that's with the phone being opened. So yeah. What comes in the box is your SCHOK Flip battery, which is a removable battery, which is very nice, charger, and USB-C cable. So yeah guys, so if you guys are looking to get a free phone or whatever, you guys have to, if you guys are looking to get a free phone, Metro got you covered with this. The SCHOK Flip can be yours for free if you guys add a line. So the full retail price of the SCHOK Flip is $99.99. So this would be a great phone for like your parents or whatever, grandparents or whatever. It does have some smartphone features built into the thing, so it runs Android, so pretty cool. And yeah, not a bad little flip phone here. You know, you will get some smartphone features like I said. So yeah, there you guys have it, the SCHOK Flip, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.